it's Gina with WTI. And if you like champagne, then you definitely want it to be as cold as possible. And that's where this amazingly beautiful champagne bucket from BARsics is going to come into play. I recently threw a bridal shower for a friend, and this bucket definitely classed up our mimosa and sangria bar. It was so perfect for holding my bottle of champagne to make sure that it stayed as cold as possible for the entire bridal shower. This looks so beautiful on the table and really stood out as one of the pieces of the night. I love the hammered mirrored look on the outside. It is just stunning. And the fact that it comes with these little handles is perfect for moving it around and not worrying that it's going to slip out of your hands. We love to drink champagne even when it isn't a special occasion. This ice bucket has been perfect for having drinks at home, not just because they're as cold as my husband wants them to be, but also because it's just so beautiful. I love having it. This is a 5-quart bucket and it does not leak at all. Of course, with there being ice inside and warmer air on the outside, you're going to get some condensation, but I didn't find that to be excessive at all. This would make a gorgeous gift for someone, or you could just keep it at home and use it every day, not just for champagne, but any drink that you want to keep cold. And that's my point of view.